Welcome back to Kadima Locksmith. Today we're going to be programming a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. It's a proxy. Looks something like this. And it's a standard key. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be programming the proxy, then we're going to cut the blade. And we're going to be using the Xtool. The AutoProPad by Xtool is what we're going to be using. So let's get started. Hook the OBD. Make sure everything is up and running. Turn on the AutoProPad. This programming requires a 6-digit pin that I've retrieved from the dealer, so we have that on hand. Sorry, a bit under the weather. So let's get this thing started. We're gonna go to Hyundai. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions as always. We're going to go to Program Immobilizer. We're going to go by Select by Vehicle. We're going to go America. We're going to scroll down to Elantra. Let's try the ADA 2017. We're going to tap on that, and then we're going to push Smart System. Get into that system right there. We're going to push the start button, turn on the hazard, and then OK. And then we're going to program Smart Key, and the vehicle is already off. Now we're going to put in our 6-digit pin we got from the dealer. Zero 0088 75. Okay. We're gonna put it up vertical. And it has been successfully programmed. We don't have any more keys, so we're gonna do no. Now, in order for this to work, as you notice, I'm pressing on it, it's not going to operate. I will need to go get out of the system. What I mean by get out of the system, that means, first of all, I'm going to go back all the way to the beginning of the programming system. And then I'm going to disconnect the OBD. And now the system has been disconnected. So if I press on this lock and unlock, it should work like a charm. Unlock, lock. We're going to try to start it up. The battery is dead. So everything is turning on, which means that it is up and working. But of course, we want to make sure that it works for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause this video and come back when the battery has charged and when it's complete, and show you that the proxy is up and working. As a matter of fact, what we're going to do is, while we're charging the battery, we're going to go and cut this blade. So stand by. We'll be right back. So I returned as promised for the 2017 Hyundai Elantra. The issue, the tow company just told me that it's an issue with the car. That's why it's not starting. So please forgive me that it's not starting up. But thank you. Thank you guys for watching.